Good day. Today we are considering pre-harvest factors affecting post-harvest quality of horticultural crops. The first consideration is site selection. The soil property of a given site for crop production will determine the ultimate compositional and physical quality of harvested produce. Appropriate site selection, free from heavy metals, toxic materials, and adequate level of fertility is very essential for maximum quality. Fruit and vegetable absorb nutrients from the soil, and the nutrient in the soil is only available for plant absorption if they are present. The soil should be analyzed and the soil condition must be determined before planting. Another important quality factor, pre-harvest quality factor, is planting period. The quality of crop planted during the dry season differs appreciably in size, firmness, fiber content, and nutritional composition compared to those cultivated during rainy season. This is because water availability is very important for nutrient absorption, nutrient circulation within the plant, development and growth of the plant is dependable on availability of water in the soil. Another important factor is irrigation. Some crops are not drought resistant. As such, their yield in terms of size and nutritional quality depreciates appreciably under water stress. Proper irrigation planning is crucial for optimum crop development and adequate nutritional composition of harvested produce. Efficient water management scheme is vital to maintaining quality crop and maximum yield. It is observed that deficit irrigation reduce fruit water accumulation of fresh tomato and orange. Fresh yield is determined by the availability of water in the environment. The total soluble solids also is affected by water availability. Another important factor also that is crucial to quality of harvested produce is pruning. Pruning is done to control the number of flower, the number of fruits. It reduces competition between fruits. It also reduces competition among the plants. Pruning ensures nutrients are channeled to fewer fruits, which can lead to increase in fruit size. It can also result in increased sugar content of fruits in some cases. Pruning is also affected by the quality traits of the fruits. Also, pruning allows air circulation. It reduces pest and disease infection. Therefore, pruning enhances the quality of the produce, and it also prevents infection from diseases and pests. Maturity stage is another important quality factor. Fruit maturity influences the total antioxidant capacity of the produce. The changes are determined by the crop type and the stage of maturity. For example, tomato and pepper, mango and prunings. The total antioxidant capacity increase as the carotenoid and vitamin C accumulation during ripening. Total anthocyanin increase during ripening in all berries. We also observe that the shelf life of tomato is prolonged if it is harvested at green mature stage. The fruit nutritional composition also is affected by the time of maturity. Delay between harvest and consumption or processing can also result in losses of flavor and nutritional quality. The magnitude of these losses increases with exposure to inappropriate temperature, inappropriate relative humidity, inappropriate oxygen, and inappropriate carbon dioxide. During berry ripening, anthocyanin accumulates while phenolic acid decreases. In some products, chlorophyll carotenoid decreases during development. Other important factors also include the climatic condition. Many plants are very sensitive to environmental conditions, and thus quality will not be optimized when crops are produced under adverse conditions. Poor weather conditions at harvest affects operations such as because the labor will be affected, machine that is being used is affected. Another important quality factor is fertilizer application. Poor fertilizer management will increase physiological disorder due to deficiency of some minerals or increase in other, leading to nutrient imbalance or toxicity. In some cases, quality will be negatively affected. For instance, in okra, if nitrogen fertilizer is too much, it's going to affect fruit production, and it's going to also affect the quality of the okra in terms of drawness or slimeness. Cocoros, for example, if too much fertilizer is applied, the drawness of the Cocorus olitorius will be affected. Cassava that is grown under high nitrogen fertilizer, the fiber content is usually low. It has high moisture content but low fiber content. Another important factor that affects post-harvest quality of harvested produce is thinning. This operation reduces plant population. The competition between plants increase maximum exposure to light and adequate water supply and nutrients. Therefore, fruit and vegetable produce at appropriate spacing will have adequate size. Not only that, the nutritional composition will be appropriate. Pest and disease management is also important in maintaining quality. The effect of insect is more pronounced on grain, but it can also cause a lot of damage to fruits and vegetables. Nematode cause various injuries to fruits and vegetables, and it continued to affect the quality of harvested produce due to the damage that has been done in the field. For instance, nematode creates entry points for microorganisms, and it can lead to further deterioration. Weed management. Failure to control weed will result in a lot of damage to crop quality. Weed produce seeds that are very similar to that of the harvested crop, and such it contaminates harvested seed. Not only that, weed also contaminate harvested produce through